Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back. How are you all? Today, in New Voices, we are going to start with a new lesson. First, let us start with the new words. The first word is, children, I am going to read the words with the spellings and you are going to repeat after teacher. Okay? Number 1, title. 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 Number 2, author. 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 Number 3, pages. 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 Number 4, front cover. 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 Number 5, back cover. 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 Number 6, spine. 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 Number 7, forest. 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 Number 8, stories. 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 We'll read the words once. Number 1 is title. Number 2, author. 3, pages. 4, front cover. 5, back cover. 6, spine. 7, forest. 8, stories. Next words. Number 9, tails. TALES. Tails. TALES. Tails. TALES. Tails. Number 10, rabbit. 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 Number 11, mouse. 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 Number 12, elephant. 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 Number 13, parrot. 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 Number 14, happy. 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 H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Read the words once. 9 number, tails. 10, rabbit. 11, mouse. 12, elephant. 13, parrot. And 14 is happy. Children, you are going to write these new words 3 times in your notebook, and you are going to learn these words by heart. Okay? Children, tell me, what are these? What can you see on the screen? Yes, they are the books. They are the books. Are all the books looking same? Are all the books looking same? Can you see all the books are same type? No, they are different. Why? How do we know their books are different? Because the cover pages are different. Because the cover pages of these books are different. Now you can see here, all have the different cover pages. See here. So this is the cover page. This is all have the different cover pages. So we can make out that all the books are different. Okay. So today we will see. Today we will see what do we see on the cover page of a book and the different parts of the book in the lesson number 8, book cover. Okay. As you have a name, the book has its title. Now you all have a name. Like that, book is also having the name. Now what is that called? It is called as the title. Okay, it has got a title. I will show you. Now see, this is the title of the book, and this is the title of this book. So this first book is New Voices. So that is the title of the book, and the EVS, where it is Trek is written, that is the title of this book. So as you have the name, the book has its title. Understood? As we cover our body by wearing clothes, the book has also the book cover, so that the book is identified. Understood? Okay. Now to make the stories or the lessons interesting, different animations or pictures are shown to cover the body, that we call as book cover or the front cover, front page. Okay, see here now. See, these are the book. This is the book cover of this. This is this book cover, and this is this book cover. Okay. So to make the stories or the lessons very interesting, so different animations or pictures are shown to cover the body of the book. All the books have different book covers, because some are story books, some are magazines, some are forest tales, some are fairy tales. So, seeing the book cover or the front cover, we come to know what type of book it is. Okay, so like Panchatantra, then Wild Animals, then Happy Forest Tales. Okay, then Alice in Wonderland. So seeing the cover page, okay, book cover or the front cover, we come to know that what type of book it is. Understood? Now we will see what other things are written on the book cover or the front cover. Something is written inside the book. So you may be thinking, who has written? Teacher has written? No. Then we have the writer for these books, who is also called the author of the book. Author is the one who has written the book. Author's name is written on the book cover or inside the book. That is the front page. Now I will show you who is the author of this book. Now see here, can you see Dr. Vijaya? Okay, Dr. Vijaya. So Dr. Vijaya is the author of this book. Okay, Dr. Vijaya has written this book. Now here also we can see in this book Vaishali Gupta. Can you see on the right hand side corner down, Vaishali Gupta? So Vaishali Gupta is the author or the writer of this book. So New Voices, Dr. Vijay is the writer of the book, and this other book Vaishali Gupta is the writer or the author. So they are the author of this book. Understood? Now after the book is written, now someone is writing, the author is writing the book, then after the book is written, then someone has to publish the book. Okay, so the publisher publishes the book. The publisher's name is also written on the book cover or the front page. Okay, I'll show you. Now who are the publisher of this? Now who is the publisher of New Voices? Here Madhuban. Can you see Madhuban? So Madhuban is the publisher of this book. Okay, and this book, Trek book, who is the publisher? Oxford. See this. Can you see on the right hand side upper part? You can see Oxford is written. So Oxford is the publisher of this book. Okay. So after the book is written, then someone has to publish it. So the publisher publishes the book. The publisher's name is also written on the book cover. So what can we see on the book cover? We can see the title of the book, and we can see the author's name on the book cover, and we can see the publisher's name on the book cover. Okay. Now next. Now what is this? This is the back cover of the book. We can see more about the book is written on the back cover. First which I showed, that was the front cover or the book cover. Now this is the back cover of the book. So we can see more about the book is written on the back cover. So there are two covers, one is front cover and one is back cover. Okay. Now next, we'll see. Now what are these? What can you see? Yes, these are the pages in which the lessons or the stories are written. Okay, so these are the pages in which the lessons or the stories are written. Okay, now next. Yes, then the first page. After opening the book, we can see the first page. On that page, in this page, the content is written. Means the topics, the topic names of the stories, then or the lessons. So we can see on the content, we can see the content, that is first page. We can see the topic or the names of the stories or the lessons, and page numbers are written, so that whichever lesson or the story you want to read, so you can see the name of the story or the lesson and right hand side you can see the page numbers written. So you can see that page number and you can remove that page. It will be easy for you. Okay. Okay. Now see here. Can you see this part? Okay. Can you see this part? Okay. This is known as spine. What is it? Spine. S-P-I-N-E. What is spine? Spine, it joins the front cover, pages and the back cover. Okay. It joins the front cover, pages and the back cover. Okay, it joins. So that is the spine. Children, now we'll see the different parts of the book all together. Okay. Now can you see the book here? Different parts. Now we have learned the different parts. Okay, we have seen the different parts of the book. Now we are going to see together the different parts of the book. What we have learnt. Now can you see the right hand side first arrow? Okay. Now what is that? Which part of the book it is? Can you tell me? Yes, it is the front cover. It is the front cover. Okay. Now below that, can you see one more arrow? Alice in Wonderland. It is written. Now what it is? Alice in Wonderland. What can we see on the front cover? You can see the title. Okay. So the Alice in Wonderland is the title. Okay. Now below that, can you see one more arrow? What is written? Lewis Carroll. Now who is it? It's the author. The author of the book. As I told you, the book on the book cover or on the front cover, what can we see? We can see the title, the author's name. Okay? Or the writer's name. Now we'll go to the next one. Can you see one arrow going downwards? What is that part? Which is a part of that book? Yes, it is the spine. Spine means it joins the front cover, then back cover and the pages. Okay, so that is the spine. Next, this is the back cover. What is it? It is the back cover. Okay. Next, what are those? They are the pages. What are they? They are the pages. So these all are the different parts of the book. What we have learned today. Front cover, then the title, then the author, spine, back cover, pages. And what is written on the front cover also we had seen, or the front page what we have seen, that is also there. Is it clear to you all? Okay. So children, the remaining part of the lesson we will continue in the next period. Okay. I am going to give the homework. Now what is the homework? Draw and name the parts of the book. What you are going to do is that in your notebook you are going to draw this book. Only outline you will draw. Draw the book and you are going to name the parts of this book. Is it clear? As well as you are going to learn and write the new words 3 times. Is it clear? So children, we'll meet in the next period. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.